Okay, and I've put a tea bag under the microscope because I heard that tea bags contain plastic. I couldn't believe it, so I just thought that I will use a tea bag just to look under the microscope. So I go first for the lowest magnification and see what is there. So that's a piece of tea leaf, and what you can see as the strands going left and right, they're quite stiff. They don't look like the paper. They don't look like cellulose, and they're kind of like a armored concrete. They have this kind of strength-giving quality, those strands you see there. So let me put a piece of tissue and see how that looks. Paper tissue. So we are looking at the paper tissue on the left and the tea bag on the right. First of all, you notice that the tea bag is more porous. You don't see many of the strand of the material in the, you see a few but not a lot in the tissue. But in the tea bag you see a lot of that. And a kind of break at the surface in these two strands you see here. And I'll bring this to center, you can see it. To the right of the center, there's a tiny strand. I try to bring it to focus. That looks as if it has a sharp break, like what a plastic should be. Is the points, they're pointed actually. They're quite sharp. To the left you see a strand in this side, doesn't look that sharp. And to the right you see that a strand quite has a pointed, and near the right of the center, at the center of the right, they're quite sharp. I wonder, is it that plastic strands, nylon or something? It's a kind of polymer material. We know cellulose is a polymer also, but that can be a different kind of polymer. Synthetic. I need really a chemical test on this if I could, but so far my suspicion is a little bit looks more probable that the tea bags have plastic in them, in the actual bag. Always thought that it's just paper. Okay, those of you who know me, you know that I'm a gardener, and we compost a lot of things, including tea bags. And I was always surprised, after 2-3 years being in a compost, tea bags, the actual bag of it, never decomposes. Never rots, never becomes a, compost. And I was surprised. The tea of it, okay, is a plant material, but the tea bag of it, which should be also cellulose and plant material, never goes compost. Do the tea bag contains plastic? Is an open question.